Dream team, welcome back to another dream. So today, here is part 2 of the intake video, but with a twist. Instead of y'all listening to a bunch of wind, let's put a little microphone inside the engine bay and get y'all to hear full intake sounds. But before we get into that, I gotta show y'all one thing, because we have our most recent mod, and I think it's by far one of my favorites. Look at that. You gotta admit, these rims are hard on a Rover. Hold on, let me give you that's tough? Let me know in the comments if that's tough. But with that being said, let's just get into the video. Just imagine, right? RR Jaded. I know there's not a cap, but just imagine RR Jaded in a wide body. That would be kind of hard. That shouldn't fall, right? That should, this should be good. That should be perfect. Hopefully. All right, time to connect it, and let's go. All right, moment of truth. Let's make sure the microphone is still there. Please still be there. Yes, it's still there. All right. Look at him. Well, that's the end of the part 2 of the intake. I hope y'all guys enjoyed. I wanted to make sure this video was straight to the point and it's not a bunch of fluff. But I will say, let's add a little bit of fluff. This car wash, I'm so happy it's free because it's already messed up. But no, this car wash did me right. Dang. Car wash definitely did me right. So, thank y'all guys so much for watching. And yeah, I'll catch y'all on the next one. I want to wait till he pops up there. I know he's going to do something. Oh, let's just wait. Let's just give it a second. Let's just give it a second. Here he comes. Let's see. Yeah, that's clean. That's too tough. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. That's such a big difference. That is insane. Yeah.
Happy New Year.